So to determine if each relation defines y as a one-to-one function of x, so first of all, to check that it's a function, we need to make sure that each input has a unique output. So I can see the inputs here are -10, -2, 6, and 14. And they each have an output that goes with them, so it is a function. To check if it's a one-to-one function, I'm going to look at these outputs. I can see the outputs are 4, 2, 0, and -2. Those are all unique outputs, and so each input has a unique output, so it is one-to-one. This second example, I can see that the inputs 3 and 4 have the same output, so this is not one-to-one. But it is a function. And it is a function because each input has only one output. Okay. And so this one here is not a function because the input 1, say, has multiple outputs. So this one is not a function. And so it can't be a one-to-one. Function. It's not even a function to begin with. The next one, I want to determine if the function is one-to-one and give an explanation supporting your choice. So first of all, let's look at k of x. So if I wanted to draw a picture of x cubed plus 8, then it's just going to look like the regular x cubed except shifted up 8 units. So it's going to look like this. And this is one-to-one. Because each input has a unique output, and each output corresponds to only one input. For this one, I can sketch a graph of it, and it looks like this. X squared minus 6, so it's just going to look like x squared, but shifted down 6 units to -6, and it'll go up like this. And so it is a function, but it is not one-to-one. Because 0, for instance, I can get an output of 0 by 2 different inputs. So each output does not have a unique input that goes with it. And then again, this one here, I can see is not one-to-one because there are outputs that don't come from a unique input. So this one is not one-to-one. And so you may have heard in class something about the horizontal line test. And so that's what we can kind of see here, is that if I draw a horizontal line, it intersects the graph in 2 places. But for this one, I can draw a horizontal line, and it does not intersect the graph in 2 places.